How to remove player skills in eFootball Mobile. To remove player skills in eFootball Mobile, it is very simple for us to do so. First, we open up eFootball and let's go to My Team and let's go to Game Plan. Now when we are here, if I have added too many skills on one player, it might be confusing to use which skill. So let's say you might want to remove a particular skill. For that, you simply select that player. And here you can go to this option that says skill training right here. So select this option that says skill training and select that. Now here, these are some additional skills that I have added over here. So these are some default player skills which came with the card itself, and these are the additional skills. What I can do is I can tap on a particular skill that, let's say I don't want this particular player to have. Then after I select that, I can just tap on this delete button right here and it will ask me to delete the skill, and I can confirm to do so. And this way I can remove player skills in eFootball Mobile. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.